Hello all, welcome to Gnanamudra Academy YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing Indian banking and financial sector's outlook. The global financial system is facing strong headwinds from various quarters, including high public debt levels, stretched asset valuations, economic and financial fragmentations, geopolitical tensions, and risks arising from increasing cyber threats. Amidst these global challenges, the Indian economy is an outlier that shows strong macroeconomic fundamentals. Economic activity is growing steadily, supported by a financial system that looks stronger than in the past. If we exclude post-COVID rebound in 21-22, India's real GDP growth in 23-24 surged to its highest since 2016-17, surpassing the expectations. The period marked a shift in growth trajectory from an average of 7% pre-2020 to an average of 8% or higher during the subsequent period, driven largely by domestic factors. Inflation is currently forecast to average around 4.5% in 24-25 and 4.1% 25-26. These macroeconomic conditions could therefore lay the foundation for sustainable future growth, improve consumption conditions, strengthen the investment climate, and enhance the external competitiveness. The Indian banking sector in particular has demonstrated significant improvement in key metrics such as capital adequacy, asset quality, profitability, supported by robust macroeconomic fundamentals and business confidence. There has been sustained growth in credit expansion, primarily driven by personal loans and loan to the service sector. As end of March 24, scheduled commercial banks reported capital to risk weighted assets ratio of 16.8% and common equity tier 1 ratio of 13.9%. Additionally, scheduled commercial banks achieved a multi-year low in their gross non-performing assets ratio at 2.8% and net non-performing assets ratio at 0.6%, underscoring strong performance across various indicators. According to RBI's latest financial stability report, the bad assets or gross NPAs of commercial banks fell to a 12-year low of 2.8% in March 24, may go down further to 2.5% by end of current fiscal. The profitability of banks remains strong, evidenced by the return on equity at 13.8% and return on assets at 1.3% as of March 21, 2024. At an aggregated level, non-banking financial companies also continue to maintain robust health indicators of 2024 March, with CRAR 26.6%, GNPA ratio of 4%, and ROA of 3.3%. So now let's see macroeconomic fundamentals that affect an economy at large, including statistics regarding unemployment, supply and demand, growth and inflation, as well as considerations for monetary or fiscal policy and international trade. Now let's see capital to risk weighted asset ratio. It is also called as capital adequacy ratio, which is the financial ratio that measures the bank's financial stability. So it is calculated by dividing a bank's total capital by its risk minus weighted assets. The formula is here, you can see, you can note it down. Okay. Now let's see CET1, that is common equity tier 1. Ratio is a metric that measures bank's financial strength by comparing its core equity capital to its total risk-weighted assets. So further CET can be seen here. You can note it down. Now let's see return on assets. It measures how efficient a company's management is in generating profits from the total assets on their balance. Return on assets is equal to net income divided by average total assets. You can get ROA. Now let's see ROE. It measures a company's financial performance. It is calculated by dividing net income by shareholders' equity, because shareholders' equity is equal to company's assets minus its debt. ROE is a way of showing a company's return on net assets. ROE is equal to net income divided by the average shareholders' equity. What is gross NPA? It is the total of all loans that borrowers haven't repaid. Net NPA, on the other hand, is the outstanding loan amount left after write-offs. So, after seeing the Indian financial system and the banking system in detail, you can use these points while writing main answers. All these points are very useful for your mind. You can add this point to your answers. This will improve your performance. You can even link them while writing your essays. This gives you an edge, of course. If there are any questions regarding banking sector or Indian financial sector, you can use all these points. Okay, students, let's conclude our video, and please subscribe to Gnanamudra Academy YouTube channel and follow Gnanamudra's Instagram page. Thank you. Signing off. Team Gnanamudra.